Baking gingerbread cake at home is a delightful way to fill your house with the warm, spicy scents of the holiday season. Here's a simple recipe. Ingredients for the cake: 2½ cups 315 grams all-purpose flour, 1 tsp baking powder, 1 tsp baking soda, 2 tsp ground ginger, 1/2 tsp ground cinnamon, 1/2 tsp ground cloves, 1/2 tsp ground nutmeg, 1/2 tsp salt, 1/2 cup 120 milliliters unsalted butter, softened 1/2 cup 100 grams granulated sugar, 1/2 cup 100 grams brown sugar, light or dark to large eggs, 1 cup 240 milliliters molasses, 1 cup 240 milliliters hot water, 1 tsp vanilla extract, optional for optional topping, powdered sugar for dusting whipped cream or vanilla glaze. Instructions: preheat and prepare the pan. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9 by 9 inch or similar size baking pan and line with parchment paper, leaving an overhang for easy removal. Mix the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, ginger, cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, and salt. Set aside. Cream butter and sugars. In another large bowl, use an electric mixer to cream the butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until light and fluffy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add wet ingredients. Beat in the eggs one at a time. Mix in the molasses and vanilla extract until well combined. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, alternating with the hot water, beginning and ending with the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. Do not overmix. Bake. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and smooth the top. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Cool. Let the cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. Serve. Dust with powdered sugar or drizzle with glaze. Serve with whipped cream or a scoop of ice cream if desired. Tips: spices. Adjust spices to suit your taste. You can add a pinch of cardamom or allspice for variation. Molasses. Use unsulfured molasses for the best flavor. Avoid blackstrap molasses as it can be too bitter. Storage. Store in an airtight container for up to 3 days at room temperature or refrigerate for up to a week. Enjoy your homemade gingerbread cake. 40